3, 2, 1.
Which philosopher is known for the cogito ergo sum? The answer is B. René Descartes. Which event occurred on December 31, 1999? The answer is A. Y2K Bow. Which Roman Empire was the largest in terms of territory? The answer is C. Trajan's Empire. Which mountain is famous for its Matterhorn Peak? The answer is D. Matterhorn. What is the first operating computer called? The answer is A. UNIVAC. What type of plate is an island arc found on? The answer is C. Oceanic. What is the Hindu deity associated with creation, preservation, and destruction? The answer is B. Shiva. Cheyenne Chief Black Kettle and his band were attacked by the U.S. cavalry on November 27, 1868. This bloody massacre remained in history under what name? The answer is B. Battle of Washita River. Contraction of what large, sheet-like muscle results in inhalation? The answer is D. Diaphragm. Which of these tools is most helpful to a scientist observing very small bacteria?
The answer is C. Microscope.
Which of these poems was not written by Robert Lowell? The answer is A. Digging for China. What has a heart that never stops, but it's not a living thing? The answer is C. Lighthouse. Who won Survivor Borneo in 2000? The answer is A. Richard Hatch. Which country was the first to use the atomic bomb? The answer is B. Japan. What does the ending ology refer to? The answer is D. Study of. Who played the role of Lori Beth Allen on the sitcom Happy Days, that debuted on ABC in 1974? The answer is B. Linda Goodfriend. Which country does the Clydesdale horse originate from? The answer is B. Scotland. What year did I Love Lucy first appear on TV? The answer is C. 1951. How long did Lee Kuan Yew serve as Prime Minister of Singapore? The answer is D. 25 years. Who is likeliest to overuse hot water? The answer is D, the Johnson family. What is the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth degrees Fahrenheit? The answer is A, 136. What was the name given by Neil Armstrong to the landing site on the Moon where the Apollo 11 lunar module made the first moon landing? The answer is D, Tranquility Base. What is the duration of a sidereal day on Earth for stars approximately? The answer is A, 23 hours 56 minutes. Which supply is used for writing on a board? The answer is A, chalk. Which car brand was founded in Germany in 1886? The answer is C, BMW. In the game Super Mario Kart, how many coins do you receive for placing first in a single race? The answer is C, 9. Which Hindu deity is often depicted with multiple arms and a third eye on his forehead? The answer is A, Shiva. Which part of the Earth is made of the rigid, brittle, solid crust and uppermost mantle? The answer is D, lithosphere. Which of the following is not one of the 9 muses? The answer is A, Mnemosyne. Which old enemy of Buffy's stole her body and gave Buffy their fugitive body in return? The answer is D, Faith. Which game features a multiplayer deathmatch mode? The answer is A, World of Warcraft. Under what rule did the historical city of Petra decline quickly, as a result of which many of the tombs was damaged by thieves and many treasures were stolen? The answer is D, Roman rule. What is the period of rotation of the Earth around the Sun called? The answer is A, orbit. What year was Crises character Jacob Hargreave born? The answer is D, 1896. A deer, shark, human and rose share which common activity? The answer is C, defecating. Which would an ecologically minded individual most support? The answer is D, windmills. Who was the first emperor of China's Qing dynasty? The answer is B, Qianlong. Which U.S. president, who had become president after the 1901 assassination of his predecessor, survived an assassination attempt more than 3 years after he left office? The answer is D, Theodore Roosevelt. During a demonstration, a teacher pours CO2 gas over a candle, putting out the flame. Which physical property allows the teacher to pour the CO2 gas? The answer is A. The gas is more dense than the air. What is the device that allows you to capture images? The answer is A. Camera. Who shot Fraser in the back as he tried to get on a train in an episode of Due South? The answer is B. Ray. Which element is a noble gas and is represented by the symbol He?
The answer is A. Helium.
What is the word that describes the side of a right-angled triangle that is opposite the 90-degree angle? The answer is D. Hypotenuse. De Broglie proposed in 1924 that any object exhibits a wavelength that is inversely proportional to its. The answer is B. Momentum. Which vitamin helps prevent night blindness? The answer is A. What can run but never walks, has a mouth but does not talk?
The answer is A. River.
Which member of the Balboa household was celebrating a birthday at the beginning of the movie Rocky Roman IV? The answer is B. Paulie. What religion's headquarters is located in the city of Haifa? The answer is C. Baha'i. What is the lowest level of organism that can perform all activities required for life? The answer is B. Cell. Which of the following was invented before the last time that the Chicago Cubs won the World Series of Baseball?